Think and Grow Rich is a personal development and self-help book written by Napoleon Hill and published in 1937. It is based on Hill's research and interviews with successful individuals, including industrialists and entrepreneurs such as Andrew Carnegie and Thomas Edison. The book provides a step-by-step guide on how to develop a positive mental attitude, overcome obstacles, and achieve financial success. It has become one of the best-selling books of all time, inspiring millions of people to change their thinking and improve their lives. Some key takeaways from Think and Grow Rich include: the power of positive thinking. Hill emphasizes the importance of having a positive mental attitude and visualizing success in order to achieve it. The role of persistence. The book stresses the importance of perseverance and not giving up on one's goals, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. The importance of personal development. Hill encourages readers to continuously work on improving themselves, both mentally and physically, in order to become the best version of themselves. The concept of a definite purpose. Hill argues that having a clear and specific goal is essential for success and provides methods for discovering one's true purpose. The value of a mastermind group. Hill suggests that surrounding oneself with supportive and like-minded individuals can lead to increased success and growth. The role of faith and belief. Hill argues that having strong beliefs and faith in oneself and one's abilities is a key factor in achieving success. The law of attraction. The book teaches that the power of thought can attract both positive and negative experiences, and that by focusing on positive thoughts and feelings, one can attract success and abundance into their life. The power of autosuggestion. Hill explains the concept of autosuggestion and how using positive self-talk and affirmations can help to overcome negative beliefs and build confidence. The importance of action. The book stresses that simply having positive thoughts and beliefs is not enough to achieve success, and that taking consistent and deliberate action towards one's goals is crucial. The value of education. Hill argues that continuous learning and self-education is essential for success and personal growth, and encourages readers to seek out new knowledge and skills. The role of passion. Hill suggests that following one's passions and desires is a key factor in finding true success and fulfillment, and that, by pursuing what they love, individuals can find success even in the face of adversity. The principle of creativity. Hill explains that creativity and innovation are important factors in achieving success, and provides techniques for tapping into one's own creative potential. The impact of a positive attitude. Hill argues that a positive attitude is a key factor in attracting abundance and success, and that a negative attitude can hold individuals back and prevent them from reaching their full potential. The importance of focus. Hill suggests that focusing on one's goals and avoiding distractions is crucial for success, and provides techniques for improving focus and concentration. The principle of organization. Hill stresses the importance of being organized and having a clear plan for achieving one's goals, and provides guidance on how to create an effective plan and stick to it. The role of initiative and leadership. Hill suggests that taking initiative and exhibiting leadership qualities is crucial for success, and provides guidance on developing these traits. The power of decisiveness. Hill emphasizes the importance of making decisions quickly and taking action, rather than procrastinating or being indecisive. The importance of personal values. Hill suggests that having a clear set of personal values and principles is crucial for success, as it provides a foundation for decision-making and helps individuals stay true to themselves. The principle of delayed gratification. Hill argues that the ability to delay immediate gratification and focus on long-term goals is a key factor in achieving success. The value of a growth mindset. Hill encourages a growth mindset, which focuses on learning and growth, as opposed to a fixed mindset, which is resistant to change. The impact of environment. Hill suggests that the people and environment one surrounds oneself with can have a significant impact on success and personal growth, and encourages readers to choose their associates carefully. The role of gratitude. Hill emphasizes the importance of being grateful for what one has, and how this positive mindset can attract even more abundance into one's life. The principle of courage. Hill stresses the importance of courage in facing challenges and overcoming obstacles, and provides techniques for developing courage and resilience. The value of hard work. Hill argues that success requires hard work and consistent effort, and that there are no shortcuts to success. The impact of mental and emotional states. Hill explains how one's mental and emotional states, such as fear, anger, and love, can have a profound impact on success, and provides techniques for managing these states. The importance of personal responsibility. Hill suggests that taking personal responsibility for one's life and circumstances is a key factor in achieving success, and encourages readers to take control of their lives and take proactive steps towards their goals. In summary, Think and Grow Rich is a classic self-help book that provides a comprehensive guide to personal and financial success. The book draws on Napoleon Hill's extensive research and experience, and covers a wide range of concepts and principles, including the power of positive thinking, the importance of a clear set of goals, the role of personal responsibility, the impact of mental and emotional states, and much more. The book provides practical advice and techniques for developing a successful and abundant mindset, and encourages readers to take control of their lives and pursue their goals with passion and determination. Overall, Think and Grow Rich is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to improve their financial situation and achieve success in life. Thank you for listening. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this episode with your family and friends. We'll be back soon with more great content.